Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change your TikTok video thumbnail. Really easy and simple to do. So all you have to do is head over to your TikTok application and open that up. And then once your TikTok application is open, you just want to go ahead to post a new video. So you're just going to hit the plus button on the bottom. Once it opens up, you want to click on upload, and then just choose a video that you want to upload. So I'll just choose this one right here. Click on select, back out, and click on next. And then you don't need to touch anything here, so just make your video how you want to make it, and then click on next. Same thing with this screen, just make it how you want to make it, add effects, add text and stickers or sounds, and then you just want to click next. And then this is where you have the opportunity to change your cover. So if you just see beside where it says describe your video on the top right, where the picture is, it says select cover, so you can just click on that. And then it'll give you the option here to click on the bottom to choose a specific screenshot for your cover. Very easy and simple to do. Once you're done and happy with one, you can just click on save. And that's it. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.